Hey, my friends say my CPF savings will automatically go to my son's CPF when I die.
Huh? Real or not?
Actually, that's not real. By default, your family members will receive your CPF monies in cash. To ensure that your CPF monies are distributed according to your wishes, remember to make a CPF nomination. You can then nominate who will receive your CPF savings and how much each of them will get.
But what if I don't make a nomination?
Then they won't get law.
That's also not true. If you do not make a CPF nomination, the Public Trustee's Office will distribute your CPF savings to your family members according to intestacy or inheritance laws.
Oh, so if I don't nominate, also never mind lah.
Just note that the PTO charges an administration fee and you will not be able to specify whom and how much each of them will receive.
But I already made a will. Same thing, right?
No, your CPF savings are not covered under a will because they don't form part of your estate. This ensures that your CPF savings are protected from creditor claims on any outstanding debts you may have.
Oh, like that
Come, we make our CPF nomination tomorrow.
Yeah, let's go.
Remember, your loved ones will always receive your CPF savings in cash by default when you pass on. Don't listen to hearsay. Always double-check your facts to confirm if they're real or not. Check out our other episodes as we bust more CPF myths.